Friends, good evening to all of you. और माई रिटायर्ड लाइफ फाउंडेशन की तरफ से आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है। और आज एक बहुत डिफरेंट टाइप की प्रोग्राम, एक अनोखा प्रोग्राम लेके हमारे सामने आ रही हैं हमारे कोलीग साथी कृष्णवेणी मैडम। दैट इज मूवमेंट विदाउट मूविंग। अब मूवमेंट विदाउट मूविंग कैसे पॉसिबल है मुझे भी मालूम नहीं है। ये सीखने के लिए हम प्रतीक्षा करते हैं कृष्णवेणी मैडम के सेशन का। कृष्णवेणी मैडम, फ्लोर इज ओपन टू यू। मैडम,
स्क्रीन शेयरिंग या को होस्ट का राइट्स दे दीजिए।
दे दिया ना, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग दे दिया है।
नहीं मिला है।
दिया है।
नहीं मिला है सर।
I've already given.
No, but it is not there. Yeah, sorry. So there it is there. One minute. तो इधर कितने लोगों ने सोचा कि आज कल ही सबकी सुनो के बदले में कृष्णवेणी की सुनो करके प्रवचन सुनने के लिए आए हैं विदाउट डूइंग एनीथिंग। You are in for a disappointment then. Very much in for a disappointment, my friends. Can hear me, no? Thumbs up dikha do, Anand ji. This is a very different topic, as sir said. However, I have tried my best to make it into two parts. Today we will be doing one part. And second, some other time maybe. Do you really believe stillness is movement? So, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग में चैट नहीं दिखेगा, आप हाथ थम्स अप कीजिए। हु बिलीव्स दैट स्टिलनेस इज मूवमेंट? नो सुशील जी, ओके। एनी इंटरप्रिटेशन इज इंटरप्रिटेशन। नो, देयर इज मूवमेंट इन स्टिलनेस टू। Every moment or creation we see around is born out of stillness and survives and thrives in stillness and sinks back into stillness. Stillness means exactly what? Free from disturbance, agitation, and commotion. And definitely not stopping the movement. It is like we always say, no, still waters. It is still, but water is moving in the lake too. So stillness is movement, my dear friends. So please don't be under the misconceptions that you are not going to move today. We still have life with curves, because we all know what is a straight line. And curves body में हो कि नहीं हो, जिंदगी में है। दक दक होता है, इसलिए we are there. So today's activities, we are not moving out of chair. That's it. All movements will be in seated position, because every time we sit, there are people with some difficulties. And I have worked with groups who cannot move out of the chair also. Although we are all agile, still it's good to learn restricted movement as well as free movements. So I request only two things from you all. One, lose your inhibition. क्या बकवास बोल रही है नहीं सोचो, जो बोलती हूँ वैसे करते जाओ. And let out the child in you and participate sportingly. No inhibitions. Nobody क्या सोचेगा, जो सोचेंगे सोचने दो. Especially in your home, you're in your room. Nobody is going to see. Even if they see, जिंदगी में बड़ा रोग ऐसा है, क्या कहेंगे लोग. So don't bother about any this thing. And in today's session, I have tried my best to incorporate different aspects for motor activity, left-right brain activity, flexibility of body, and a bit of tips from Tai Chi Qigong also. These are some of the places where this is, I have worked like, this is what we will be doing, something like. And I work with all these elders who are seated position. So don't worry, there will be interesting moments definitely. So this was all I wanted to tell. You have 2 minutes or 1 minute you want to take. Grab 2 kerchiefs or 2 scarves, whatever you have. And hopefully you're all having a chair without a handle. I will try and get one chair also, because I think I'm sitting on a stool which I am not seen fully. Okay. Okay. I will go for new share. Advanced computer audio share, because I want to see you all doing things, so I don't want you to see my screens. Yeah, I'll just get my chair so that I may go little more higher later. Now I don't want to. So let's tell our body, get warmed up. You're going to do something right from head to toe, definitely, although we are sitting. Relax and sit. Let's see, all are settled. Yes. So get set, go. For the anything, warm up is very important activity because body should know, yes, they are going to give me some activity. Let me get ready for that. खाना बनाएंगे रीता जी तो ही आनंद जी खा सकते हैं ना. So we are getting ready for that. So we start with head. Head का कोई गड़बड़ नहीं है. Everybody knows what is head movement. I don't want you to do circle full. I just want you to look to the right. You can start, please, if you are settled. Look to the left. Look up. Look down. And just half circle to the right. Half circle to the left. Do once more. Same. Look to the right. Look to the left. Up. Down. And half circle. और आंखें खुला ही रखिए. किसी किसी को चक्कर आता है. Everything to be done at your comfort level and to your capacity. Don't look into the gallery view. ये वो कर रहे हैं, मैं भी करूं करके. Please don't do that. Now, I will tell you something. Everybody takes selfie nowadays. So make a pout. Everybody knows what's a pout. Look up. I'll count 5. Hold it there and bring back. See, like this. हो गया 5. नीचे आ जाओ. Fresh pout. Once more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down, exhaling. So हम भी अपने ग्रैंडचिल्ड्रन को बोल सकते हैं, हम भी सेल्फी लेते हैं पाउट करके. Okay. Now let us start. I will be taking out the chashma so I can see halfway through only yours. Your eyebrows will come to the face, forehead, everything slowly. Oh God, I told nobody to come. Postman. Sorry for the interruption. So middle से लेके pinch your eyebrows towards the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. अपना eyebrows की length कितना है उतना आएगा. छोटे छोटे होते जा रहे हैं. 3-4 times कीजिए. Then take your index and middle finger and nose के beginning से लेके cheek से out होके end of eyebrows तक पहुंचिए. Any doubt, please do ask me. 2 fingers nose से cheek से लेके ऊपर इधर तक चाहिए बस. End of eyebrows तक. Rita ji, very good. Everyone. Lakshmi ji. Yes, Sundari. Good. क्या हुआ? रेणु जी कुछ बोले? Now take your palms, chin से लेके ऊपर तक. चश्मा बीच में आता है. 3-4 बार कीजिए. When you are doing yourself, you can do more number of times. Now the best thing, ladies, like Nirmala की साड़ी कितनी अच्छी है. मेरी नहीं है क्या? मेक फेसेस एज यू वांट. विजया ही अच्छी दिखती है क्या? मैं भी दिखती हूँ बोलेगी और कोई. So this is what we do, but it gives a lot of movement and flexibility to our face. Now we'll have to do for eyes. I'm wearing specs and without specs I can't see. Next step आपको miss नहीं करवाना है करके लिख के भी रखी है. So if everybody is ready with that, now we'll start with eyes. In the eyes, please remember to do only move the eyeball. मैं इधर लिखूंगी तो ऐसा नहीं टर्न करने का. Keep two fingers this way, both the index. Look to the left, look to the right, look to the left, look to the right, moving only eyeball. Somebody is talking. Who is that? Mallika? Lakshmi, Mallika, whoever are their dancers, they will know. Now the same thing you keep near and far. One near your nose, the other near the. Look near, look far. Look near, look far. Without turning your face. Jairam ji, you are very sporty. Kariye. Okay. Now up and down. One finger up, one finger index ka down. Keep doing. Good. Good. Face should not move at all. Only eyeball. Very good. Very good. They say some people have roving eyes. Try doing that full circle of only eyeballs. जितना हो सके, जैसे हो सके. Anybody has contact lens here? Please be careful. Now we do something like tightly close your eyes and widely open. Don't bother how you look. Tightly close, widely open. Now I will tell and see. Tightly close, widely open. Tightly close, widely open. Samta, don't do. Shoulders and hands, all of you know. Just like that for today, you can do one, 2 times, up, down, and shoulder in and out. Even hands, you all know. It's only this way, that way. Okay. Now I'll put on some music. First, जिसके पास स्कार्फ है वो लोग रखो नीचे बाजू में, थाइस पे रखती हूँ मैं भी. Now I will have to put on my, so that I can go back.
Bluetooth mode.
One second, I'll just put on the music. Music की छोटा ही रखूंगी आवाज. तो प्लीज क्योंकि मेरा इंस्ट्रक्शन आना बाकी है. You can hear the music?
Yeah.
It will be slowly behind only. Start first with breathing without start, just keep the start ready. The music is, can I be heard about the music?
Yeah.
और भी कम कर दो. तो ओनली काउंटिंग करेंगे तो आपको स्कूल का PT क्लास लगेगा. Although these may look like exercise, they have good these things. अरे वाह, Hemlata has got a big towel. Good. हाँ, पहले वो नहीं है. जया जी रुकिए, पहले ब्रीथ कीजिए. Sit tall with knee aligned. I should get a chair, I think. Otherwise, you can't speak. या कितना पीछे जाऊं? दिख रही हूँ? No.
Yeah.
Oh, not my legs. My legs also.
Yes.
Okay. All foot on the feet on the floor, knee and foot and shoulder all aligned in one distance. Spine up. Deep breathe 3 times. Take your hands out. Let it float up. No force, ऐसा नहीं. Let it float up. Come down to a namaste position. Now, again inhaling, go up. Exhaling, go down and touch wherever you can, knee, thighs, ankle, wherever you can. Inhaling, come up. And again back to this, under this. Okay? Now I'll come nearer. The calf only helps to being an extension of our hand or make you feel comfortable and soft. Your only hands will not be fun. Bring the hands forward, back, forward, back. क्या हो गया? कर रहे, good. Forward, back, forward, back. Now what we will do is alternatively forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Like what? Forward, back, 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 and slowly start looking at the hand going behind. In a sense, it's an exaggerated walking. Okay. Not jerky, it's soft in. Music will continue, don't worry. Really put on your lap, hands on your lap after you finish this. In between, whenever you feel tightness on shoulder or wiggle in your shoulders, you can do that always in any this thing. It is okay. Now we will do some movement which is put your hand in front, hard, back, hard, back, hard, up, forward, up. Easy on your shoulder, ball socket, sambal ke. Forward, up, forward, up. Now we will add one movement. Forward, up is fast, and then slowly glide down. Forward, up, hard, slowly come down. As soft as your forward, up, slowly, forward, up, Slowly. The hands will know hard and soft movements. We will get used to that. That's right. उसका जी करिए ना. Difficult है. हो सके उतना कर. तो बज रहा है ना. Now, up, down, fast. Up, down, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll feel as if you're dancing with the Bhangra, these things, towels. We will add one movement now. Forward, here, backward. So 8 forward and 8 backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking at the steps, you all have an imaginary table here and keep your chin and look at front. That's very important. You can look at me also in front, like that. Because I have to put my chin down. Now put your, अभी आपको मेरा पाँव दिखना चाहिए. Put your foot in front, sit to the heels so that your toes are looking up. Let us see this way. Heels on floor, toes up. In, out, in. Only enough. We will add the sharp arms. First only leg. Front, back. Front, back. समझ में आया? किसको समझ में आया? Okay. Out.
Is it
Out.
without?
Out, in, out, in, out, in. Now, we will do variations with these movements only. Legs movement will be same, out, in, but hands we will change. Okay? First to front, out, in. Let it be on your side. Out, in. Right leg out, left leg out. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Then out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Now, up, in, up, in, up, in, up, in. So we had variations of out in, front in, up in. Okay. ऐसा नहीं था repeatedly. It's okay. Wiggle your this thing, wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. Now, sit straight and tall. Come little in front of the chair or whatever soup you are having. Because after this we have to have a soup. So stir with the staff. Only use your wrist. Do not use your forearm or hands. My soup is nicely being stirred. Repeat with the left hand. Now both the hands and stirring. Reverse. So what happens is you are getting your wrist exercise also. And with the So stance is simply an extension of your hand. Now what we will do is, there is a space between two people if they are sitting. Remember, extend your hand, and we know our rib cage, right? Right में only rib cage, nicely stretch. Left में rib cage only, not the torso. उषा जी नहीं, उषा नहीं है, वो कौन है? विद्या नहीं, हेमा. हेमा, don't bend. Only straight. Your rib cage go to right and go to left. Don't turn for this thing, because I saw you. Now you all know what is contraction and expansion, right? We contract into one this thing and expand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, well done. Good, good. I am very happy. What is it? Yes, he is doing very nicely. Nice. Which clothes he has got and he's doing. Very good. How we move? Okay, he is back, out, then toes out, then heels out, then toes out, then heels out, then toes out. So you get a sitting position like I am sitting. Heels out, toes out. Heels out, toes out. Not directly. Okay? Pose slow. No water just now, please. Get this position. Heels out, toes out, heels out, toes out. Yeah? कपड़ा धोने को तो मशीन सेट थी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, toes, heels, come back to our good. I'm happy you are all doing. Now, when we contract, we have to use legs also now. I'll just demonstrate. Full exposition जो बोलते हैं, and contract. Don't jump harshly, just move. Once. Ready for next? नहीं मेरा MP है just क्या करें? Now, without arms, we do only leg first and then lift. Lift your right leg. It is not a stick, soft stretch. Over a knee pain or knee replacement or something, do it at your comfort, please. So lift, stretch, back. Lift, stretch, bend back.
मैडम,
Can you all see me?
मैडम,
हाँ.
Could you play ये म्यूजिक थोड़ा हल्का करेंगी?
कम
तो
करो,
ज़्यादा अच्छा
धीमे
नजर
करो.
आएगा. म्यूजिक थोड़ा कम कर दीजिए, प्लीज.
धीमे करती हूँ. 2 minutes.
प्लीज.
Actually, I wanted a piano music which करती हूँ, just at the background. 2 minutes. Okay, thank you. So where was I? Lift, stretch softly, bend and back to position. Lift, stretch softly, back to position. सब लोग कीजिए without scarf. We will add the scarf. Lift, extend. Biju देखा? Lift, extend, bring back. Lift, softly, not kicking, and bring back. Lift, extend, bring back. Do it twice more, please. Now what we will do is, when we lift right leg up, while you are stretching, hit the opposite hand, hit with the opposite hand. Stop. Left उठाती हूँ तो मेरा right hand stretch पाँव में मारेगा. Correct? Got it? Lift, stretch, down. Lift, stretch, down. Lift, stretch, down. Lift, stretch, down. 2 more rounds. Lift, stretch, down. Lift, stretch, down. Lift. Right. Lift, stretch and down. Lift, stretch and down. Let me see. Opposite hand, huh? Lift, stretch and down. Okay. Now let us do spot march. 1, 2. Scarf हो नहीं वो चलेगा. Just spot marching. 1, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, very good, very good. I'm happy. Now what we will do is the same position which we went with heel toes. We will just go down this way and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then little higher. 1, 2, 3, 4. Higher and lower. Both the levels, please do. थोड़ा नीचे. Take care of your shoulders. Don't do too hard. Yes, good. Well done. Now what we will do is one of the last tests. Don't और भी बहुत है, but इसमें last one. Make a nice circle with the scarf. Keep floating down. रिलैक्स. स्कार्फ को रख दीजिए. मैं भी नजदीक आती हूँ. म्यूजिक भी बंद करती हूँ. क्लैप फॉर योरसेल्फ. पैट योरसेल्फ. फिटिंग में भी मूवमेंट किया हमने.
वीना जी, मुझे लग रहा था कि आपने म्यूजिक चलाया तो मुझे लगा था शायद आप हमको डांस करवा रहे हो.
1 minute, just. Now what we will do is, without music, only instructions, we are going to do little healing techniques and which will help you in many ways. अभी सबको डांस मोमेंट थेरेपी वाली तो डांस कराएंगे लगा था ना. So let's do something dance, but not us. Our fingers will do the dance. Okay. All of you can see my fingers. You can pin me if you want. what we will do is each ऐसे रखो, able to see. What we have to do is thumb को दूसरे thumb की base पे इधर, then this, then this, 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 this. So you are moving the thumb. Thumbs will dance. Try it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, it should be done 30 times each. We will not do so much time के हिसाब से. Okay. After thumb, we will do index finger. और बाकी के fingers dance नहीं करना चाहिए. This is solo performances. Okay, not group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. समता दिख रहा है? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then ring finger, middle finger. प्रैक्टिस होने से बाकी फिंगर्स रहेंगे अपनी जगह. आनंद जी तो बढ़िया कर रहे हैं. अरे वाह, मोदी जी भी, सब लोग एक्सपर्ट है, मेरे से ज्यादा एक्सपर्ट्स हैं. अभी रिंग फिंगर. These are very good according to the Chinese technique. Now last finger. अभी फिंगर्स ने डांस किया अच्छी तरह से, तो दे डिजर्व सम पैट. एंड हम डांस करके आते हैं तो कभी पाव में मसाज करके लेते हैं वैसे. सो वी मस्ट डू मसाजिंग. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू show you all a new massaging technique. Not that way. Renu, wait for my instruction. खुद का मसाज नहीं है. This is Chinese massage. Although we are not supposed to use Chinese app, it is a natural thing, so we can. Now we all know thumbs represent fire and 5 elements में से digestive system. Then comes index finger, which represents lungs, and it is air element. Then middle finger represents heart, which is space element. Then comes ring finger, which is liver, and it is earth element. And last comes our pinky or the little finger, which is represents, everybody knows school में क्या करते हैं, kidney, and it represents water element. Okay, I just wanted to tell you all which element and which system you are doing. सब लोगों को pencil sharpener पता है ना? Now the way we are massaging will be, if this hand I am doing, with the other hand, this is my pencil and this is my sharpener. This should not move. करते रहिए. 1, 2. ये भी 30 है, हम लोग 20 करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now to proceed to index or do the thumbs of next hand is your wish. So we will do the thumbs of the other hand. Okay. Now that hand will be still and you will be massaging that. This helps in your digestive system. Whenever any issues with digestion, you can always do this massage. अपने आप भी काउंट कीजिए, चलेगा. Now comes to the other hand. Index finger is for lungs, which is very important now in immunity, oxygen, and so on. ट्वेंटी होने पर दूसरे हाथ लीजिए इंडेक्स फिंगर का. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now comes the middle finger representing the heart, which is of space. सबके लिए space है ना heart में? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now comes the lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ring संभालिए. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then comes this hand. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. अच्छा लगा?
बहुत बढ़िया.
Now, one simple thing is we all get acid reflux at some time or the other, right? For that, immediately you take whatever medicine you want, whatever treatment you want, immediately, but do this. You'll definitely, thumbs ko massage karo, you will definitely get relief from acid reflux, definitely. Now, कोई अच्छा कुछ करता है तो हम लोग ताली बजाते हैं. अभी हम लोग एक different kind of ताली बजाएंगे. Some of you might have known, but not very correctly. No. This is a set of 3 at one stroke. वैसे 9 times करना है. What's the time है? So what you have to do is hold your hands like this. एक बार clap. उसी को don't remove the hands. उसी को spread कीजिए. Spread out the fingers. There itself. Spread out the finger. Yes, yes, Rita ji. Then turn it around. Clap कीजिए. I mean clasp कीजिए. Okay. So this is one set. So what you have to do is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Like that you have to do. Let's do. Start. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Viju knows. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 के टाइम में हाथ बाहर नहीं निकालना. 1, 2 में उधर ही स्प्रेड करके क्लैप, टर्न करके क्लैप. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that you have to do 9 times every day. Clapping as such it is good, and if you are clapping में बहुत सारे acupressure points as well as meridians open up, तो बहुत फायदा होता है for health. These are all healing tips which I had written, no? Same thing which I told in the beginning. So this is a set of 3 to be done 9 times. In same way, like that. Same, open up and clasp.
मैडम इसमें रिवर्स भी करना है क्या?
हाँ जी.
Like this we are doing, then
हाँ.
we have to be reverse.
नहीं, reverse कुछ नहीं है. सिर्फ this, open, clasp. That's all you have to do. And this will open up our meridians in our hands. Okay? So अपने fingers जो dance किया, उसको massage दिया, उसको शाबाशी भी दी. Now हम लोग इतने देर से बैठे हैं तो आप लोगों को भी शाबाशी देने का है. I will call for a cool down. So request is I will play the music but give you next one instruction after every 1 minute. We will be doing it only for 1 minute each finger. So we will be doing total 5 minutes to 6 minutes only. At that time, your starting will be thumbs and index. आराम से touch करो. You don't have to press. You have to just touch lightly. And when I say next, you'll have to press your middle finger and thumb. Next, ring finger and thumb. And when I say next, little finger and thumb. And lastly, when I say next, you have to put all fingers near your heart. Okay? And when it is done, please don't open your eyes. नो दिस थिंग थॉट्स नहीं आने का ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. बी विथ योर ब्रेथ एंड लिसन टू द म्यूजिक. इट इज वेरी सूदिंग. एंड लास्ट में रब करके कप योर हैंड्स एंड स्प्रेड योर फिंगर्स. देन ओनली ओपन द आईज. अभी नहीं रीटा जी, अभी करवाना बाकी है. ओके, यू गॉट इट नाउ हाउ टू डू. एक मिनट, कौन क्या डाला है? हाँ, 1 second, I'll just play the music. इसको थोड़ा बड़ा ये करूंगी. Can you hear? Good enough? Okay. Now close your eyes, please. I have a timer. I will check out. Next. अब हाथ ऊपर रखिए, मांडी पे रखिए, किधर भी रखिए चलेगा. नो नीड टू होल्ड इट. हाथ रखिएगा. Next. Next. Next, it is all 5 fingers in the center of heart. Keep eyes closed. Clap your hands. Clap your hands in your eyes. Just open the fingers. Then see lightly. How are we?
Very nice, Veena. Awesome.
You feel relieved or relaxed? Not
Soothing music. Music was really soothing.
Thank you, Veena.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you all for
soothing.
the cooperation. Without you, I won't do anything.
Thank you, Veena.
Veena ji, should I say something?
Yes,
Veena ji?
Sushil ji.
Veena ji, I'm a bit disappointed actually.